are my friends. This is Mary. This is Scary. My friends play with me every day and I love to play with them. They're my very best friends. These are my best friends. Gary, are you well? Mary, are you well? Oh, you are well. Okay. Do you have a lot of good days? Not really. Why? You have hiccups or some one day? Oh, I'm also having the hiccups too. But I think my hiccups have gone. Oh no, it's not gone. It's still there. Meet my friends, Gary and Mary. They're my best friends. You might know who's Gary and don't know who's Gary or Mary. This is Gary. This is Mary, the little bear. And Gary is the big fox. That's my friends. They said they don't have everyday good days because they get hiccups. And I'm not forgetting hiccups. Sorry. That's my fault. I a little bit have hiccups today. And Gary and Mary have been questioning me, why do we get hiccups and when do we get hiccups? And when you want to see how hiccups feel to me, everyone, I'm embarrassed with these hiccups because these hiccups are embarrassing me. Everyone that gets hiccups gets embarrassed because these are annoying sounds to us. These annoy me. Everyone is annoying to have these sounds that are named hiccups, like that. And I want to do a sound again for you to hear. Okay, that's what. Okay, when do we get hiccups? Gary's saying. Gary, are you saying you want to learn about when we get hiccups? Mary? Oh, you also want to know. Okay, when we cry or laugh or we are excited. That's when we get hiccups, or even when we eat too fast, or drink too fast, eat too much and drink too fast. Okay? That's what happens. I a little bit ate too fast today. That's why I got hiccups. But sometimes they also appear on their own. Why? Do you know, guys? No? It's because of the diaphragm. It's in your chest, but other people say that it's in the bottom of your lungs. Is the diaphragm. The diaphragm job is to keep air moving smoothly in and out of your body. Look, I have an idea. Okay, this pencil is the air. You breathe in the air, the lungs get them, and the diaphragm helps your lungs. You might know why. The lungs only can handle it. Not only lungs can do it, also the diaphragm needs to help them. Or only if we didn't have any diaphragms, we all have diaphragms. If we didn't have any diaphragms, we wouldn't have breathing. Lungs, you might think, help us breathe, but also the diaphragm also helps them help us breathe. That's what the diaphragm does. The diaphragm is in your chest. Gary, Mary? What will happen when hiccups come? Oh, you mean what will happen to the diaphragm when hiccups are starting? The diaphragm will suck air, it'll get irritated or stuck, and it will twist, and then sucking air into faster than you thought. It'll go into and never get out. That's how caused hiccups are. And how can we stop it? You could pinch your nose for 1 second and done. Your hiccups are all done. You could also do this. You could also drink some cold water. That would help. Oh, that's great because I every time get hiccups. Me too. Yes, and I hope you learned how to cure hiccups and how do hiccups, and when do hiccups start, and how do we get hiccups. And also, I hope you guys learned how we get hiccups, right?
Right.
And do you sometimes get hiccups?
Yes.
I also have hiccups. And again, I get hiccups. So, bye next time.
Bye-bye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.